Hi everyone, Madcarver here with Bear Wood Supply. I got my Schaaf Chisels in today and I was going through them and I noticed a couple things about them. Um, I prefer to have a smaller heel. So just to give you a better example, here's the cutting edge as you know it. There we go. And then the bevel and then the heel. So generally, I prefer to have this edge here rounded to the back of the chisel. Same on the other side. And I prefer that this heel be not so pronounced. So I'm going to sand both sides down and the heel. And I'll show you how I do that. Let me move this over here. Push it down. And here we go. Alright, let me wipe this off a bit. So you should be able to see that I've taken the bevel down and the sides as well. Now I need to polish. So we'll move you over a bit. All right, bring you back over here. So the tool has been polished. I'm going to wipe it clean. So you can see that it's been polished and that the heel has been reduced. It's still kind of high right here, and I can go back and play with that. But for the most part, the heel has been reduced. Also, the sides of the tool have been rounded upward toward the top of the tool on both sides. And now let's test it on a current project. Let me move you around a bit here. Drop it so I can get you to see it. So here's a current present or Christmas project that I've got to get done before Christmas. So working with the butter. Nice. Okay, so it's very nice. So polishing it helps a lot when you're working with these newer shaft tools, but for the most part I'm really happy with it, and I think you will be too. All right, if you have any questions or comments about this sharpening thing, then what we all have to do, hit me up.